Hi, we are MetaBlox. MetaBlox, a project developing the first truly decentralized Wi-Fi open roaming network and one that is accessible to all. MetaBlox's open roaming network implements the latest blockchain and telecommunications technologies to create a seamless and decentralized Wi-Fi open roaming experience that protects users' data. This type of Wi-Fi network enables continuous internet connection even while traveling, as open roaming Wi-Fi connections are automatic. This Wi-Fi feature eliminates manual logins so that users can stay seamlessly connected while traveling. For example, a user can automatically connect to Wi-Fi at a cafe hosting a WBA member's router, and then leave and automatically switch internet connections to the router at another location. The Wireless Broadband Alliance, or WBA, shares MetaBlox's goal of open roaming Wi-Fi deployment, and has incorporated MetaBlox's open roaming network into its own. The WBA's members, including MetaBlox, are collaborating to deploy a global open roaming network, and have together provided over 1 million open roaming Wi-Fi access points. MetaBlox's open roaming network is deployed via routers that are also miners. MetaBlox miners validate special web credentials in order to establish Wi-Fi connections. To provide free and secure Wi-Fi connections outside of the home, MetaBlox routers are being deployed at busy locations like cafes, restaurants, stores, malls. Next, we will elaborate what makes MetaBlox network so secure. To start, MetaBlox's open roaming network adheres to the WBA's connection standards, delivering enterprise-level data security at all access points. Decentralized IDs are unique sequences of codes that can be used to identify any particular entity, and that are stored and verified on blockchains. In addition, security is ensured by the network's use of the decentralized identifier. These credentials ensure privacy protection by letting users control what info they verify with it. No personal information needs to be included on a decentralized ID used for network access, and any info it does contain is encrypted. Decentralized IDs also enable decentralization by staying out of central databases. They are kept on blockchains and can only be accessed by their users via their private keys. Now that we got to learn about the decentralized ID feature that makes MetaBlox network special, we will now move on to MetaBlox app. MetaBlox app is the key to accessing MetaBlox network and the WBA's global Wi-Fi open roaming network in a few simple steps. The full version of MetaBlox app is available on iOS and Android and is free to download. Once you download the app, you can create a decentralized ID at a click of a button, then you will be connected to open roaming network. By connecting to our open roaming network, you will be eligible to receive rewards and other more features. MetaBlox community's involvement is very crucial for us to expand our miners across the world. We started deploying MetaBlox routers to multiple cities since 2022, and our goal is to have everyone have access to the network. MetaBlox is building a truly decentralized Wi-Fi open roaming network. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to follow all socials to stay updated on the project.